today I'm going to be reviewing two sunscreen products by Jumiso. I have with me the All Sun Airy Fit Sunscreen and then the All Sun Airy Fit Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. So Jumiso recently came out with these two products. They sent them over to me to test out. I have been using them for a couple weeks now, so let me share my thoughts with you. Let me first talk about the All Sun Airy Fit Sunscreen. So this sunscreen has SPF 50 plus PA++++, and this sunscreen protects your skin from UVA and UVB. So according to the website, this sunscreen has been clinically proven to prevent your skin from aging and sunburn. This is a chemical sunscreen, so that means that it's not going to leave a white cast on your skin. The product absorbs really easily and applies amazing under makeup. And lastly, this product claims to be fragrance free, reef safe, and cruelty free, so it is suitable for all skin types. The next sunscreen is the All Sun Airy Fit Daily Moisturizer with Sunscreen. So this sunscreen also has SPF 50 PA++++, and it is clinically proven to prevent your skin from premature aging as well as sunburn. So this is a 2-in-1 moisturizer and sunscreen. So it has a benefit of protecting your skin from the sun as well as providing and delivering hydration to your skin. Therefore, this product is perfect for busy mornings to simplify your skincare routine. And just like the sunscreen, this product claims to be fragrance free, reef safe, and cruelty free. So it is suitable for all skin types. So since this is a moisturizer, you do not have to apply a moisturizer beneath this. After cleansing your skin, applying essence or toner and serum, instead of applying a moisturizer, you could just apply this product on top. However, with this product, since this is just a sunscreen, if you have dry skin, it is recommended to apply moisturizer before applying the sunscreen. Honestly, I am very impressed by these two sunscreens. They have both become a staple in my skincare routine. I like that both of them are affordable, effective, and perfect for everyday use. Personally, I don't really see a difference between the two products. Both of them are very lightweight and they're very moisturizing for my skin. However, the moisturizer is obviously a bit thicker than the sunscreen, but this is equally as light as the sunscreen. Therefore, that's why I don't really notice a difference between the two. Since I have combination skin, the sunscreen was enough to moisturize and deliver hydration to my skin. On the days I feel like my skin is a little bit more on the dry side, I do apply the moisturizer instead of the sunscreen. Therefore, if I were to pick one of them, I would probably pick the moisturizer only because it is more hydrating. It also allows me to skip a step in my skincare routine, and I'm a pretty lazy person. I am not very fussy with my morning skincare routine. I like to actually keep my morning skincare routine pretty simple. So I like that I don't need to have another step after or before I apply a sunscreen. I like that this is just all in one. It delivers hydration, it protects my skin. It's also very lightweight, so I like that about this sunscreen. If you're more on the oily side, obviously I would recommend the sunscreen one. The texture is very lightweight, it's non-greasy, and it also doesn't dry out my skin. So in a way, it's kind of good that they came up with two different ones. This one for more dry skin and this one for more oily skin. So therefore, if you're in the market for a new sunscreen, I recommend these two products. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video and comment your favorite sunscreen or ways that you protect your skin from the sun. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.